Hello friends, in this lecture we will see this rough prime operation we use this operation especially for roughing operation, and in this operation we use two type of tool. We can use Coro turn prime A or B type tool we can use, that is from the sandwich. Okay, and this technology is especially for extremely high speed machining we can use, that will increase the tool life as well. And for this, first we need to define a tool, so cancel it. And from this tool, here we have tool term prime A tool. We use this tool for roughing and finishing for both. And this turn type prime B tool we use for only for the roughing. Okay, so let's select this first one. Okay, this is my tool. Okay, and I'm going to add one more tool, this one. Okay, B turn prime B type tool. So I will use both tool, and I will show you how to use this tool for roughing and finishing as well. And this operation is especially used for both direction and for turning center or vertical lathe, and for multi-axis turning machine we use this type of tool on this type of operation. So first select this turning operation, and my tool is A type tool and B type. So I'm using B, that is for especially for roughing, and this is roughing operation. Okay, and see the cutting area. The cutting area is this one, which is not the proper. So go to cut region, and here specify this upper portion. So upper portion will highlight, and now I'm defining the limit. So this is the axle limit. Okay, and entry radius is 3, so I will show you the entry radius. And linear jig is my cutting pattern, and this 3 is the average depth of cut, and this is the axle direction. Let's see the preview. So it is cutting in jig way, and we can use this tool for zigzag way. So here we have this zigzag, and in contour shape it will create. So keep this linear jig. Okay, and from here see this contour entry radius 3. This entry radius is this 3, and it is also try to finish this corner cleanup. So I don't want this corner cleanup now generated. So this round will come the corner, it will avoid to create this corner. And if you want corner cleanup, just enable this option, and let's see the preview. Okay, and in 3D. So hope you understand this, and in next lecture we will see this finish operation from this prime term.